So here's how to create online course funnel design. ClickFunnels gives you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your products and services online without having to hire or rely on a tech team. And if you want to start using ClickFunnels, click on my link down in the description. And as you can see, we're now in the official ClickFunnels website. From here, if you scroll down, you will get to see a lot of information on the website. And here, you can see some world-class entrepreneurs who use ClickFunnels. And we have Damon John, Ty Lopez, and Eileen Wilder. And if you scroll down further, you will get to see why you should be using ClickFunnels. Here you can see what you will get with and without a funnel. And you can see using a funnel is far more advantageous. Now, if you scroll down even further, you will see how ClickFunnels funnels customers to you. Now, if you move on, you can see that ClickFunnels will get you your website. ClickFunnels is your online store, your membership site, your CRM, your email marketing, and your analytics. And down here, you can see all the services and tools you will be getting just from using ClickFunnels. And as you can see, they have tons of uses. So scrolling down even further, you will get to see some testimonials from successful entrepreneurs using ClickFunnels. So now that you know about all the advantages of using ClickFunnels, let's scroll up to the top. From here, go ahead and click on Pricing from the top bar. And once you're on the pricing page, you will get to see two options that you can choose from. First one is Startup, and then we have Pro. Here, you can compare the two packages based on your required brand workspaces and team members, and all of the features for both the plans are the same. Now, if you click on the monthly plans, you will get to see the different monthly pricings for each package. So from here, just select the package that you want and click on Start Free Trial to get started with ClickFunnels. So once you get your ClickFunnels membership, click on Login on the top and select ClickFunnels 2.0. And once you log into your ClickFunnels account, you will be taken to your ClickFunnels dashboard right here. Now, from the dashboard, if you go over to the left panel, you will get to see multiple options like funnels, products, customers, and training. From here, click on Funnels. And once you're in the Funnels section, you will get to see all your existing funnels right here. Now go ahead and click on Create Funnel on the top right corner. So after that, you will be redirected to this page, and this is where you can see all the categories of funnels that you can create. If you scroll through, you will see all the available options. And if you want to start from scratch, click on Start from Scratch from the top right corner, and then you need to name your new funnel. So click on the Name section and type in a name for your new blank funnel. And once it's done, you can also set a custom funnel path URL. Then just click on Create Funnel. After that, you will have to wait till it gets loaded up. Then you will be redirected to this page right here. Now, you just need to click on this plus icon. Then, you will get to see options from the right side. Here, just go ahead and click on Page. After that, you will get to see this window where there are a lot of available templates that you can choose from. You can go through all of these options available and choose the one that you like for your new page. Then, if you look over to the right side below Categories, there are a lot of categories that you can choose from as well. Now, let's go ahead and click on New Page on the top right. Here, just put in the name for your page. Then, you need to type in a description that fits the page. So as an example, I will write something like Get a Free Funnel, but you can write whatever name that you want. Then, you have additional options like Page URL, Style Guide, and Index in search engines. So once it's set, click on Create Page. Now, just wait a few seconds. So as you can see, a new page has been added to our newly created funnel. From here, you can preview your new page or click on Edit to edit the page. So go ahead and click on Edit. So once it loads up, you will get to see an interface like this. On the top, you can see different options that you can utilize for customizing your page. Now click on Add New Section and click on Blank Section. After that, you need to select the rows for your new section. So I will go with one column. So once you click on the plus icon, you will get to see multiple options to choose from. And as you can see, we just selected image. Then click on add section, then select blank section again and click on one column. Then go ahead and select headline. And as you can see, we just got a new headline right below the image. So click on the image section and then click on upload from the right panel right here. You can also click on the image URL section and then choose from the options provided. And as you can see, we have a lot of templates that we can choose from. You can also click on upload images from the top. After that, select the folder and choose the image that you want to upload. So now, just wait for a while for your image to get uploaded. And once it's done, it will be visible right here. So click on it and it will be added to your image section. Now, you can customize the image further on the right side. Here, if you click on alt text, you can type in a text which will be used as the alt text for your image as a part of your SEO. Now, if you look over to the image section, you can see multiple options above the image. And here on the right panel, you have options like padding top, then you have padding bottom. After that, you have padding sides, which will basically adjust the positioning of your image. After that, you have background. If you enable the background section, you will get to see some more options. Here, you can set the image style. Then, you have the option for image fit. From here, you can choose from multiple options. Then, on the color section, you can move this around in order to set a color for your background. And once you're done setting the background, you can go over and set your foreground as well. Then, we have border. After that, you can tweak the shadow and corner as well. Now, let's click on the headline. Here, just select the entire text and write whatever text that you want. So I will clear it out and write something like create a free funnel. You can type in whatever that fits your page. So once it's done, just go over to the right panel. From here, on the paint section, you will get to see multiple options on the non-background section. Then, you have the width of your text. After that, you can set the padding top, padding bottom, and padding sides. And the same way as the image, you can enable the background. Here, just go through all the options and customize your background according to your preference. And as you can see, I've now changed the color of the background. On this section, you will get to see multiple options through which you can customize the text even further. You also have the option to use AI to edit your headline, and then you can position your headline according to your preference. You can also add contact attributes if you want. Now, click on Settings and go to the right panel again. From here, just scroll through and customize your headline according to your preference. So lastly, we will go over to the color section and click on it. Then, just drag this along and set your new color for your headline. So as you can see, this already looks so much better. So once you're done editing your funnel page, all you need to do is click on Save on the top right corner. Then, just wait a little while for it to get saved. So once it's saved, go ahead and click on the back icon on the top left corner. After that, we will click on the back icon again. And as you can see, our newly created funnel is right here. You can view it or edit your funnel from this page. And that is exactly how to create online course funnel design.